Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for all things wellness. Today, we're diving into the fiery world of spicy foods. Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body when you indulge in that extra hot curry or munch on those jalapenos? Well, get ready to spice up your knowledge because we're about to uncover the burning truth behind the sensation of heat in your favorite dishes. Let's get started. Fact 1. The capsaicin connection. You take a bite of a spicy pepper, and suddenly, your mouth feels like it's on fire. But what's causing this sensation? It's all thanks to a little compound called capsaicin. Found abundantly in chili peppers, capsaicin is the MVP behind the heat. When you consume spicy foods, capsaicin binds to receptors on your taste buds, sending signals to your brain that interpret the sensation as heat. It's like your taste buds are throwing a spicy party, and capsaicin is the guest of honor. Fact 2. The spicy effect on metabolism. Now, here's a spicy tidbit for you. Eating spicy foods can give your metabolism a kick in the pants. Studies have shown that capsaicin has the ability to boost metabolic rate, meaning your body burns calories at a faster pace after consuming spicy meals. So, if you're looking to rev up your calorie burn, consider adding a dash of heat to your plate. It's like giving your metabolism a turbocharged boost. Fact 3. The heat and endorphin rush. Ever notice how after indulging in some spicy goodness, you feel a rush of euphoria? Well, you can thank your body's natural response to heat for that. When you eat spicy foods, your brain releases endorphins, which are your body's feel-good chemicals. These endorphins act as natural painkillers, helping to alleviate any discomfort caused by the heat. It's like your brain saying, "Hey, thanks for the heat. Here's a dose of happiness in return." Fact 4. The gastrointestinal adventure. Brace yourself for a journey through your digestive system because spicy foods can really shake things up in there. When capsaicin makes its way into your stomach, it can stimulate the production of gastric juices, which aid in digestion. However, for some people, this spicy adventure can lead to discomfort or even gastrointestinal distress. So, while spicy foods can add excitement to your taste buds, it's essential to listen to your body's signals and enjoy them in moderation. Fact 5. The cooling effect of spice. Here's a paradox for you. Despite the fiery sensation you feel when eating spicy foods, they can actually help you cool down. When you consume spicy peppers, your body's natural response is to start sweating. This sweating helps to dissipate heat from your body, effectively cooling you down. So, the next time you're sweating bullets after indulging in some spicy curry, just remember, it's your body's way of keeping you cool under pressure. Fact 6. The potential health benefits. Beyond the thrill of the heat, spicy foods may offer a myriad of health benefits. Research suggests that capsaicin may possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which could help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, some studies have shown that spicy foods may aid in weight management and improve blood sugar control. So, by incorporating a bit of spice into your diet, you might just be giving your health a spicy boost. And there you have it, folks. The spicy truth about what happens to your body when you indulge in fiery foods. From the capsaicin connection to the potential health benefits, it's clear that adding a little heat to your diet can spice up more than just your taste buds. So, the next time you're craving something spicy, go ahead and embrace the burn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more spicy content from Health Spiffy. Until next time, stay spicy, my friends.